welcome to another episode of Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area's Make It in a Minute series. In this series, I will show you how to build fun, easy, and useful DIY projects that can be found using items found at your local Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area restore. In this episode, I will show you how to build this decorative lemonade stand out of a pallet. For this project, all you will need is a pry bar, a hammer and some nails, paint and stain, a small piece of trim, and of course, your pallet. Wisconsin River areas have large quantities of pallet, perfect for this project. I suggest using a lightweight pallet with large gaps in between the boards to make staining easier later on. Make sure this pallet is also free of extra nails or other potentially dangerous objects hanging out of the wood. To begin, you'll want to pry out a few boards in the front of the pallet to create a window. Remember to take out any in the back that would block your window as well. Remember to remove any nails that might be left in your boards depending how old your pallet might be. Saw out the window section of your center brace flush with the boards you left. Now with all of that out, it is time to sand your entire piece down. Get as much as the surface area sanded as possible. This will make staining easier later. As for the small piece of trim, cut it down to fit perfectly in the bottom of your window section. This will create a windowsill. Nail it down into place using small carpenter's nails available at your local Wisconsin River Area restore. Finally, it's time to begin staining. Apply multiple coats to the entire project, getting all angles, front and back. Now, using paint that stands out from the color of the stain you chose, paint your sign on top of the display. And with that, your homemade lemonade stand is complete. Have you tried this project before? How did it go? Do you have any suggestions to improve this project? Let us know in the comments down below. Be sure to also thumbs up this video and subscribe to our channel to be notified anytime a new monthly Make It in a Minute video project is uploaded. Check out the description for more information on Habitat for Humanity Wisconsin River Area restores, such as locations and how to volunteer. Thank you for watching.